Hey there, marketers! Are you tired of spending countless hours and resources on creating marketing assets? Imagine if you could create all your marketing assets in minutes with zero experience. Yes, you heard that right, minutes, not hours or days. That's right, no tech skills, no expensive agencies, no steep learning curves. You can say goodbye to the frustration and high costs. Sounds too good to be true? Well, meet MarketingBlocks, the revolutionary tool that's changing the game. MarketingBlocks is an all-in-one sales and marketing software that does the heavy lifting for you. It's like having a full marketing team at your disposal. Just pop in a few keywords or prompts and let the AI work its magic. It's that simple and efficient. Let's break down what makes MarketingBlocks a game changer. You'll be amazed at the features it offers. First up, landing pages and websites. Creating a professional-looking website has never been easier. You get preloaded content tailored to your needs, ready to go live. No coding, no fuss. Just pick a template and customize it to your liking. Next, imagine having 3 months worth of social media content. Yes, 3 whole months planned out for you. Scheduled posts, auto-comment replies, and DM automation for engagement and lead generation. It's like having a social media manager on autopilot. It's like having a dedicated social media team at your fingertips. Need lead magnets? No problem. MarketingBlocks writes ebooks, case studies, and checklists to grow your leads. These are high-quality, professional materials. Promo videos? Done. You can create stunning promotional videos in no time. Stunning graphics for your brand? Absolutely. Logos, business cards, banners, social media ads, it's all in there. You'll have everything you need to make your brand stand out. Emails can be a hassle, but not anymore. MarketingBlocks simplifies the entire process. Cold outreach, follow-ups, onboarding, sales promos, MarketingBlocks handles it all. Your email marketing will be more effective than ever. And let's not forget ads and paid media. This tool covers every aspect of your advertising needs. From creatives to targeting strategies, you're covered. You'll be able to run successful ad campaigns with ease. Now, about that marketing copy and content. Quality content is crucial, and MarketingBlocks delivers. Whether it's a website, sales page, e-commerce, or blog, MarketingBlocks churns out high-quality content in no time. You'll never run out of content ideas. Need business content like strategies, pitches, business plans, or PR? Consider it done. MarketingBlocks has you covered. It even offers voiceovers with your cloned voice and transcriptions for multi-purposing content. But wait, there's more. The possibilities are endless. With over 100 AI employees, tasks like customer support, appointment booking, sales, training, and content generation are automated at scale. Your business will run smoother than ever. Plus, courses, memberships, payments, automations, forms, and surveys, MarketingBlocks handles it all. So why wait? The future of marketing is here. Hit the link below to sign up for free and turbocharge your marketing efforts today. Don't miss out on this game-changing tool. That's MarketingBlocks, your one-stop solution for all things marketing. It's time to take your marketing to the next level.